Hello, this is Emily. Now I will show you the sample room. You can see behind me are all the samples we have. You can see there are some paper boxes. They are suitable for some gift and also for some other small things to packing in their box. You can see many different boxes. And here, zipper. We can also make zipper by ourselves too. And we also sell zipper and we also use the zipper by ourselves. Here, you can see plastic bag, sport bag, others you can see from domestic and international. Many sport bags, stand-up bag, and below are some flight bags. And these are for all is plastic bags. Here, this part are all some paper bags. You can see stand-up, flat, with window, and set gusset. They are all paper bags, white paper and brown paper. Okay, if there is chance, you can come to our office to come to our sample room to check whether there is one you like. Okay, that's all for the sample room. Bye-bye.